Traders, I'm wanting to introduce you to our indicators. This is a trend continuation strategy. Our indicators and our buy and sell signals. When the green or red zone kicks in on the chart and we see a buy signal backed up by these bars here, green across the board and this showing green across the board, that is a really strong signal. So we can buy there or on the pullback, and we're looking for a decent outcome. What I'm going to do is just randomly select something. So at the moment we're in our stocks. I'll go up and we'll look at the indices. We'll have a look at some Bitcoin or crypto, I should say, and then Forex. So just a random selection. Okay, I'm just going to wiggle it up and down and stop somewhere. Okay, there you go. There's a Amazon chart. Now we need to wait for this HTF version 15 to load. Alright, we look for the buy signal on the green or a red signal, the sell signal on the red. This one's a little bit mixed, so you might want to avoid this trade. We've got red background, that's telling us here HTF has kicked in red, but we've got mixed signals here, so it's not a great signal. So, you know, we could leave that alone, although it was quite a nice outcome. Just click on a few others. What else have we got here? Apple. Let's click on Apple. Okay, this is a strong signal. We get the sell signal. The HTF has kicked in. That's this red shaded zone that runs from here to here. This is backed up by 4 bars I should say, red, and a solid red underneath. We take that trade. There's no technical analysis. We just take the trade. Stop above the previous high and we run with it. Let's try something else. Just up and down. PayPal. Okay, we'll just... Okay, here's a signal here. It's right at the beginning of this red zone. The HTF is telling us the red zone has kicked in. 2 out of 4 of these are red. Okay, so. And this is solid red under here. Oh, we can take that trade. It's a better signal if all of these are red. Let's scroll up and have a look at the indices. We've got what? S&P. Let's have a look at that one. What do we got here? Just waiting for the this HTF to kick in. It's picking up a lot of data. Okay, sell. Nice signal. Right, let's have a look and see how did that work out. Short position on this pullback here. Stop above. You want to go above this dotted yellow line. In fact, you go above the orange line here. You can see that orange line right there. Okay, that's your stop loss. And, all right, we got away with it. Okay, looking at the outcome, and I mean, sometimes a trend will just go on. And that, if you followed it all the way, was a pretty nice outcome. What else have we got here? Let's try, I don't know, the NAS 100. Everyone likes the NAS. We're only looking for buy and sell signals when a red or green zone appears. Red zone. I mean, which one of these would you not want? You can see the outcome clearly. Right, there's another one here. Okay, we only take a sell in the red zone. Okay, go up. Let's have a look at some crypto. What do we got here? Solana. That'll do. We only get involved in the green or red zone. Just waiting for the trend track HTF to kick in. All right, there is an HTF signal here. That's the start of the red zone. There's your sell. All right, so there's the opportunity. I mean, look at that. And again, we want the red zone, and we want the majority of these to be red, and we want the majority of those to be red. It's a stronger signal. The more red you see, the stronger the signal. That one we don't take because we don't have a red or green zone behind it. What else have we got here? Let's just up and down. Well, let's have a look at Bitcoin. It's waiting for the HTF to load. It's picking up a lot of data. Guys, which one of these would you not want? Okay, we disregard those. Now, there's a buy into a green zone. Okay, so every now and again you might get caught. But here's the thing. If you stick to the rules, see how the majority of this is red here? In fact, directly under, okay, so this is why you wouldn't take that trade. Directly under here, we are in a strong red zone. So these are red. Therefore, you don't get caught out at all. Stick to the rules and you do okay. All right, let's have a look at gold. A lot of people enjoy trading gold. And we just sit back and we wait for these signals. This is a 10-minute chart. Quite like the 10-minute time frame. Okay, waiting for that to load. So we've got a green zone back here. Look at this, buy. All right, we take that. Buy signal, kicked in here. And you can always, wherever it triggers, you can always pull a Fibonacci and come in on the pullback. Something like that. Look for the Fib pullback and there's an entry. Tighten up your stop under the dotted yellow line, and that wasn't a bad outcome. Let's try some Forex pairs. Now you can gain immediate access. I'll just wiggle it up and down, and okay, EuroCAD. You can gain immediate access, guys. There's a 2-week free trial. We'd ignore that one unless there's a green zone behind it. There's a 2-week free trial, and the link is below in the description of the video. Okay, we've got a red zone. Look at that. You could come in on the pullback, or if you catch this on the lower time frame on a 1 or 2 minute chart, you could get short on this move up in here. But in any case, if you've missed it, it doesn't matter. Then we look for the Fibonacci retrace, and there it is. There's a 2-week free trial, and it's very affordable. Spend that 2 weeks to cover your subscription when it kicks in, and it's very affordable, guys. I'm making this available. What else? Let's have a look at, I don't know, euro dollar. People seem to enjoy trading the euro dollar. Waiting for the HTF to kick in here. All right, I've had a look at this one earlier. There's a sell signal. The red zone has kicked in, and this is a really strong signal here. The red zone has kicked in. You'll see the sell signal. You'll see an HTF signal, and that's telling us this indicator here, the red zone's kicked in. That's red across the board. That's red across the board. It's a no-brainer. Yeah, gain instant access. So when you click on the link in the description below the video, it'll take you to my WAP landing page. It'll take you directly to this opportunity, and you'll gain access to my Telegram VIP channels, trade signals. You'll gain instant access to the indicators immediately. As soon as you join, you'll have access. Let me show you quickly what you need to do once you join. So you'll come to a page like this, and you click on Get Access. You can scroll down and it'll tell you everything you need to know. But once you've gained access, you need to click on, see this Telegram link up here? These are to my Forex Telegram channel. This is to my Crypto Telegram channel. So click those and you'll gain instant access to the Telegram. If you click TradingView indicators, you'll have immediate access to all the indicators. Now, most importantly, Trading 101, make sure you watch the video tutorials. In any case, come back to the Telegram channel and watch the most recent mentorship videos. Okay, I upload daily mentorship videos. So guys, I look forward to seeing you in VIP and sharing this journey with you. Nice outcome. With that, I hope you have a great day. Safe trading. See you in the next one.